Sexting, by sending a nude or a semi-nude image or video of yourself to someone, is becoming a very common sexual behavior. While sexting can be safe and healthy, one risk associated with sexting is the non-consensual forwarding of sexts, which occurs when someone receives a sext and then forwards it to somebody else without the original sender saying it was okay to do so. Just like sexting is a relatively new sexual behavior, the non-consensual forwarding of sexts is a relatively new, harmful sexual behavior. Research can tell us a lot about why people might cause sexual harm to another, and it is possible that these factors, like antisociality or high sex drive, might also explain why people non-consensually forward sexts. So for this study, we wanted to know, are the factors that are related to face-to-face sexual harm also related to non-consensually forwarding sexts? After analyzing the anonymous survey responses from 2,780 cisgender 18 to 30-year-olds, most of whom lived in the United States or Canada, we found that participants who had committed sexual harm, either face-to-face or by non-consensually forwarding a sext, tended to be men, had higher sex drives, were more impulsive, more antisocial, and more susceptible to peer pressure than those who had not committed sexual harm. When considering the influence of all of the variables that we measured, gender, sex drive, and having also caused face-to-face sexual harm had the strongest relationships with having non-consensually forwarded a sext. Currently, there are no programs that have been proven to help prevent the non-consensual forwarding of sexts. However, based on our results, it is possible that programs aimed at preventing face-to-face sexual harm may also help prevent the non-consensual forwarding of sexts. In the meantime, researchers have suggested that practicing safe sexting is a promising way to decrease your risk while sexting.